Hey folks, and welcome to the Pipnotic Symposium for the 10th of August 2020. A question just came in relating to the Pipnotic Origins software, so I thought that I would spend a couple of minutes explaining what it does. What it is doing is simply showing us, number one, what the trend is, and number two, where price has already been. Okay, and you can see here that we have a gray dot, and here we have a gold dot, and this is showing us that price at this point went lower than this one here. Here we have a gray one, and this was orange until price came up to here. And this is simply showing us where we have sell zones and buy zones. So before, let me draw a line. So we had this one initially, and this would be the area that we would look to sell at. But then we form these other ones below. And as price visits these areas, we can expect price to reference these historical levels here. So first we had this one here. Price came close to it, but on this one price came to it, and so this becomes a new sell zone. Price came to it, so the new sell zone becomes the highest point. Price came to it, went down, so this is where we'd reference in the future. And here we had a big push higher, and this is where the flows have shifted. And then you do the same thing for either for shorts but also for buys. Okay, and you had this one here. This is a new sell zone. Price came to it, we turned around. This is a new buy zone. Price came to it, we turned around. And here we have another one here. Price came to it, and we had a small pause, and then we left. And now we're starting to paint these orange dots below price. And this is showing us where we can expect price to return to in the future. So we have this one here. This is the new sell zone up here, and this is the new buy zone here. So when price returns up to this area here, we can expect it to have maybe some temporary trouble moving through that. And likewise, when price comes down here or down to here, we can expect price to have some difficulties moving through that. This is not long term, this is shorter term. These do not hold forever. Price came to it, as you can see here. We went through it, then we went down. Okay, so we can move this a little bit higher to here. Price came to it, then we went away. Okay, price does not turn around and go on forever. These are just areas that we can see where price is respecting an area, so price sensitive areas. And when these line up nicely with the supply and demand rectangles that the software is drawing, and then we have two thumbs up instead of one thumb up. So that's essentially my motivation for writing this piece of software and using it as an addition, a complementary tool to the supply and demand software. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Any more questions, please send them in via the comments below. And once again, thanks for watching.